In this video, we are going to show you how to insert a pitch roof. So if we look at the floor layout, we've got a small structure, square, and in the 3D, this is how it appears. And here what we're going to do is we're going to add a roof which is going to be pitched. So we go to the Architecture tab, we go and look for the roof tools. Alright, so we click on it. It's going to ask you the lowest level, so we're going to fix it to level 1. Alright, so the roof is going to be at level 1, so we click yes. Now we go back to the floor layout, and here we need to define the boundary. So we're going to pick walls to define the boundary. Now just before picking up the walls, we're going to see here that you've got a defined slope which is already checked. So it means that the slab, instead of being flat, is going to be slope. Now the default slope angle is 30 degrees. Alright, and here we have the possibility of inserting any overhang. So we're going to have an overhang of, let's say, 950 millimeters. So then when we click on pick walls, so you're going to see, if we zoom in, as we come and hover our mouse over the wall, you're going to see that a dotted line appears which represents the overhang of 950. So we click, we select all the walls, and we have to make sure that the boundary line is continuous and everyone is joined together. Once this is okay, as you can see here, we note that the slope is at 30 degrees. So when we click on the green tick, it should show us in the 3D view that our roof has been made and it is pitched. Now we can select the wall and change the wall type accordingly, as you can see. So this is our pitch roof. Pretty easy to do. So that's all in this video.